All right, we are back with another 72 touch video to this time help you order your monthly value postcard. Now, you may choose to send this out monthly, you may send it out quarterly, bi-monthly. It's really up to you on the frequency of it, but they are available every month with a new postcard. And you're either going to do that if you're at the downtown office, you will be going to kwdtmarketing.com. And if you are at the Advantage Market Center, you're going to go to kwa-marketing.com. And from either of these websites, we're going to go through each one on how to order the monthly postcard that you can send to your database through command. And there'll be another video on how to send the postcard once you get it. Just remember that it's usually about a day turnaround at either office for you to be able to get that card so you can build the campaign and then send it out to the people that you want to receive it. And so let's go through downtown first here, where you can scroll down on the kwdtmarketing.com website. And just a little bit lower, you'll see the postcard designs that you have right over here. The monthly example is over to the right. And you see right below that, you have submit your order here. So when you click on this button, a form is going to open up and you can scroll down just a little bit and you'll see that postcard design is one of the options here. It's not the monthly newsletter, that's a little different there. The monthly postcard will be within here. So you'll click on postcard design and you'll click on next. And then you'll see the monthly postcard as one of the options in here. You can choose to put in your headshot. You can choose to put in your KW app link for people to download as well. And then once you go through these few of the different settings here and click on next. You're going to put in your information and then you should have your monthly postcard within 24 hours. And even if you make your order earlier in the morning, you might even get it that day. And so for KW Downtown, that's the process. Let's go to KWA now. And very similar, where you're just going to scroll down and you'll see, let's find the section where we have our postcards. And then you'll see here's the different postcards that are available, birthdays, anniversaries. Downtown has the same different options available. And here's our Thanksgiving postcard for currently in November 2024. And then you'll just come down and you'll find the Order Now button, which same thing, a form will open up. And as you scroll down through here, you'll see postcard design as one of our options here. And then we'll click on next. And then you'll scroll down through here and you'll see the different options that we have. Here's the Happy Thanksgiving, or you could even send the falling leaves if that's more your style for this month. And then very similar information here where we can add in if we want the headshot or the QR code. We click on next and then it's going to be some contact information, your website if you need to, social media links if needed as well. And then you're going to submit that there. And so super easy to order. Just put it into your schedule to get it ordered in time for you to be able to send it out in the frequency and at the timing that you want. But that's it. That's how simple it is to order these postcards from our marketing directors. What they're going to do then is they're going to email you back a two different image files, the front and the back of the postcard, and then stay tuned for the next video to see how you're going to then get those image files into command so that you can build your campaign to send out to your people.